Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video of the property in front of me. This is Great Knollys Street in Reading. I'm just going to spin around slowly to give you an idea of where I am here in Reading. So we're close to the train station in Reading, which is just down the road here. But the property I'm here to show you today is this one in front of me. So this is a 2-bed ground floor maisonette. It was built turn of the century, so 1900 to about 1929. The car that you can see just here is in its allocated parking space, which is a bit of an unusual one for around here. I'm just going to quickly walk up before we head into the property. So this space here would be yours. It comes with the property. So the rear garden is technically a communal garden, however you do have a door leading out into it, and I'll show you that in just a moment. But let's head on in and we'll have a look around. So those of you that don't know this, these live stream videos are interactive, so feel free to ask me any questions and I will do my best to answer. So, oh, hang on. So let me show you the front courtyard. So this is all yours as well. Nice little courtyard area before heading into the property itself. So into the property, so from the front door, we turn to the right and we're straight into one of the bedrooms. I'm just going to stand in the corner for a sec just to give you an idea of the size of the room. So it's a really good sized property, lovely big bedrooms on here as well. Show you the ceiling. So this house has been upgraded by the current owners. So initially when they moved in, it was electric heating, and the current owners have upgraded it and put a gas boiler in to make it gas central heating. The flooring itself is high quality wood floor. It is a wood laminate, it is a wood laminate, but it is a good quality one as well. And here we're into our reception room and kitchen. Before I head in here, which is bedroom 2, which is another good size. It is a double bedroom. Current owners have got the bunk beds in as they have 2 children. You can see there exposed beams as well, adds a bit of character to it. Now one thing you will notice with this property is once you're inside, you don't really hear the road noise at all. It's good quality double glazing, as I show you there. And we've got the airing cupboard just inside here. Unfortunately, I'm unable to open it as the wardrobe and other storage items are in its way. Looking into the kitchen, so we have got, it's a lovely high quality piece, electric hob, oven, there is space here for a dishwasher, and then there's the extractor hob and fridge freezer. For those that missed that, we got a space for dishwasher there, and then fridge freezer. Question coming in about the washing machine. I'm glad you asked because I'm just getting to that. So in here is your bathroom, and it's a really good sized bathroom as well. So they've put in a shower as opposed to the bath, but there is space if you wanted to put the bath in along here, sink and modern toilet. And then what they've done is where this, you can just see the boiler at the back, the gas combi. But what these guys have done is they've changed this into a sort of utility area. So there's a washing machine and tumble dryer in here. And then that would all get closed away nicely. So nice and neat. So they've really made use of the space that they've got. Good quality tile on the floor, on the walls and on the flooring in there. And yeah, over here we've got another little storage cupboard, which is the cupboard under the stairs, which would lead up to the other maisonette. Okay, so following on from here, so this is your rear garden. This is leading out to the rear garden. So as I said, technically this is a communal garden. However, because you have the key, you have the rear door, upstairs would have to come in via this gate, and apparently they have lost the key to that lock. But it's a very welcoming, good sized space as well. I'll just show you around the corner. So this is a communal space. You do share it with next door, but as I said, they don't really use it. The trampoline that you can see belongs to the current owners, and your parking is just the other side of this fence here. So as I said, this is on the market. The current owners are looking to upsize. They have outgrown it, and they've been very happy here, but as the family has got bigger, they are looking to buy a slightly bigger property, and who can blame them? So if there's no other questions, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign off. This was just a quick brief tour, but for those of you that wish to come and have a closer look at it, I'll just show you the ceiling again with the beams. It's a lovely high ceiling in there. So anyone who wants to book a private viewing can do so either on this app while it's still running, or short of that, make contact with the office and we'll be happy to help. This would make a great home for first-time buyers. It would make a fantastic investment opportunity as well for any landlords, being close proximity to the train station and the town centre, or those maybe downsizing, wanting something all on one floor. With it being a maisonette, there is no service charge, and it's a peppercorn ground rent. There's 159 full years left on the lease, so potentially a really good investment or retirement. Or again, even if you're looking just to start off on your property journey. So if there's no other questions, I wish to thank you all the best for joining me around this property, and I look forward to seeing you at the next one in the near future. All the best and take care.